Hello guys and welcome back to our channel AutoZone India. Today we are going to do a review of all new Creta 2020 model. But before that, a big thanks to all the people out there who had subscribed our channel, and those who are new to this channel, those who are seeing this channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe our channel so that you will never miss any of the motor updates. Also, I will request you to watch this video completely so that you will never miss any of the points related to Hyundai Creta. You can also follow us on an Instagram channel. The link is displaying on the screen. Just need to type hashtag AutoZone India. Talking about the vehicle, the all-new Creta has been crafted to command respect. The bold exterior and the new masculine stance will set you apart from every other SUV on the road. The new Creta is featured with advanced BlueLink technology, which has a new in-car voice command technology. Now with the app on your smartwatch or else on a smartphone, you have the power to control your car from anywhere. Since talking about the Hyundai as a brand and its vehicles, it's very much durable in terms of an overall fit and finish, also in terms of an build quality. It comes within 3 years of warranty, 4 years of warranty and 5 years of warranty. Conditional for the 3 years, it will be unlimited kilometers. For 4 years, either of 60,000 kilometers, and for 5 years, either of 50,000 kilometers. Also for 3 years, you will get a roadside assistance for this vehicle. Since it's an SUV and if you are planning for an off-road drive, then you have a feature like an electronic parking brake, also an auto hold, which will help you to do a much better off-roading. The vehicle comes with an 3 engine options: 1.5 liter petrol dual VT engine, 1.4 liter petrol turbo GDI and 1.5 liter diesel CRDI VGT engine. Also, the vehicle has an top-notch features in this segment like in paddle shifters. Also, considering the overall environmental thing, it has an auto-healthy air purifier. Talking about the engine power, the 1.5 liter U2 CRDI diesel engine produces maximum 115 PS of power. The 1.4 liter Kappa turbo petrol engine produces 140 PS of power, and 1.5 liter MPI petrol engine produces 150 PS of power. Talking about the tire size, it comes with 2 tire size options. The first one is 205 by 65 R16 tire with a steel rim, and the another one is 215 by 60 R17 tires with an alloy wheels. The tire type will be a tubeless type. Talking about the exterior part, the car comes with an integrated indicator on the ORVMs. The trio beam LED headlamps with a crescent glow LED DRL imparts futuristic look to all new Creta and offer enhances visibility for the fog lamps. With a signature cascading grille, all new Creta imparts with more premium and bold look. The front fog lamps are unique and newly designed, and sculpted bumper houses smartly positioned fog lamps. Talking about the rear, it has a 12-tip exhaust that adds sportiness and boosts high performance appeal. The chrome handle in the Creta enhances the SUV's premium appeal. Talking about the unique C-pillar garnish, looks like distinctive and brings you out the dynamic character of the car. Talking about the tail lights, it's completely an LED unit which moves from one corner to another corner. It comes with an shark fin antenna. Also, you will get a black piano finish for the spoiler as an element. Talking about the safety parts, it comes with a strong structure with AHSS ensures a secure drive for your family and you. It has a vehicle stability management which avoids loss of control during sudden braking or rapid accelerating. Also, electronic stability control, hill assist control, rear camera with dynamic guidelines, rear disc brake, burglar alarm, warns in case of car theft attempt, emergency signal, seat belt pretensioner with load limiter. The vehicle comes with 7 color options. The first one will be in polar white color, second one will be in red mulberry, third one will be in deep forest color, fourth one will be in galaxy blue, fifth color will be in typhoon silver, sixth will be in dual tone color, lava orange and dual tone black color, another will be in phantom black color, then polar white dual tone, then it will be in Titan grey, and the last one will be in complete lava orange. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this car, and let me know if you have found this video informative. If it is so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel AutoZone India. Thank you for taking out your time and watching this video. Yours only, AutoZone India.